he's holding a phone in his right hand. I could see him typing on it, and I could see the screen lit up. Kilo Mike 70 Lima Juliet X-ray. I see you typing on your phone there, my friend.
Yeah?
I see you typing on your phone there, my friend.
Sorry, I'm just trying to set it. Sorry.
I'm going to report it to the police.
It's not good?
I am going to report it to the police.
Sorry.
I wish you a good day. Nice car. But you can't drive. You were driving past me on there, working on your phone. I saw it.
No, I'm just showing my friend something. We're going to Manchester.
No problem. You have a good trip. Drive safely. And don't hold your phone. Hiya. Where are you going, you?